Hello, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel Dazzling Crochet Trinkets, and today, as you can see, we're going to make a simple flower. All the stitches that we have learned so far, so it has single crochets, it has half doubles, it has doubles and triples or trebles, whatever you want to call them, and chains of course. So I'm using a 3-weight yarn. It's a simple acrylic. It's in a glass beside me, so I like it as a yarn holder. It's supposed to be for the ice cream, but I love it. It's cute for the small balls of yarn. Okay, let's start now. I have a diagram here, of course, and I've written what the diagram says here. So it says that we have to chain 6, so I'm using 3.5mm crochet hook. Now we're going to make a slip knot. However you do it, it's just fine. To make a slip knot on a hook so that we can start. Now the diagram says to chain 6, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now it says to slip stitch into the first chain and then close it. So we're slip stitching. So we're going to bury this tail. It's not going to be visible in the next process. Next it says for round 2, it says to chain 5. So, okay, let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then it says to make 2 trebles inside the ring. Okay, let's do that. Do we remember how we make the trebles? Yarn over once, yarn over twice. Then we go into the ring and making our treble. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and according to the pattern we need to make that 2 times. So let's do yarn over once, yarn over twice, go into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So our 2 trebles are done. Next we need to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it says to slip stitch inside the ring. So let's go into the ring and we're going to slip stitch. So that's it. First part of the petal is done. Now we need to do 5 more times, in total of 6. So let's do it again. Chaining 1, 2, 3, and splitting your yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarning over twice. Go inside the ring and do 2 trebles. 1, 2. There's the second treble. And then chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To close this petal, we are slip stitching inside the ring. There it is. We're still burying the tail. It won't bother us at all. So let's just slide this a little bit over here so that we have more space. Okay, now we're chaining 5 again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarning over twice for our 2 trebles that we're going to make inside the ring. Yarn over twice inside the ring and do our trebles. Then chaining 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and slip stitching inside the ring. So this is first round of the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over twice inside the ring, making our trebles. The second round is maybe complicated for somebody, but I don't think so. It uses all the basic stitches, so it's not complicated. Chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and slip stitching inside the ring. We have 4, we need 2 more. Chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then doing 2 trebles. I'm not pausing it so that I can progress further, because this is such a simple pattern, you know, and there is no need for pausing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then slip stitching inside the ring, closing it. We have 5 petals already made. Now we need to make 1 more. So we're chaining 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over twice, making our trebles. There's 1. Yarn over twice. There is another 1. And chaining 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slip stitching. Wait, let me check. Slip stitch in the ring. Yeah, I thought it said slip stitch in a slip stitch, but that's on another round. Never mind. Never mind what I'm saying. It's too hot to even think. So that's it. We have done our 6 petals. Yes, they are supposed to be like this, not straight. They are curling up a little bit. That is just fine. Now, the next round says that in the chain spaces we need to work 3 single crochets and 2 half double crochets. So let's do that. So this is our chain 5 space. Now we need to do 3 single crochets, and there's the third one, and we need to make 2 half double crochets all inside the chain space, that chain 5 space that we made. Now the next 3 stitches are worked up on top of the treble stitch on the previous row, so we need to work 3 double crochets on top of it. This is our treble, and this is where we need to go. This is the head of the stitch, so we yarn over, go into that stitch, and work a double crochets 3 times. 2 and 3. The next one is also done on top of the treble, so we need to place 3 more double crochets on top of that next treble. So let's do that. This is the head of the stitch, so we need to work in that one. So let's go through there and do our double crochets 2 and 3. Now we're coming upon the next chain 5 space, and there we need to work opposite of the beginning. We need to work 2 half double crochets into that chain space, so let's just do that. Oops, the half double crochet has a yarn over, I forgot, sorry. 2 half double crochets, and then 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And then we see here a little dot. That dot means that we need to slip stitch inside the slip stitch of the previous row. If you pull this a little bit apart, there it is in the middle. So we need to slip stitch into that. It's going to be somewhat tight, but you do it just like that. Now we repeat 3 singles, 3 single crochets, 2 half doubles in the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 half doubles inside the chain 5 space. Then we need to do 3 double crochets on top of the treble. So there's the head, 3 double crochets on top of that treble that we had from the previous round. And also we need to place 3 more doubles on the second one. There it is. It just lands right where it's supposed to be. 2 double and 3 doubles. Now we do the opposite from the beginning. 2 half doubles and 3 single crochets. So let's do that. 2 half doubles and 3 single crochets. 2 and 3. And as the pattern says, we need to place a slip stitch inside of a slip stitch. So yeah, there it is. So a slip stitch inside of that. And then again, 3 singles, 3 single crochets inside the chain 5 space. Then 2 half doubles inside the chain 5 space. Then 3 double crochets on top of each of the trebles. 2 and 3. So we're placing 3 more double crochets on top of the next treble. Then doing the opposite, 2 half doubles in the chain space. If you hear the chatter, my family just got home. 3 single crochets in the chain 5 space and slip stitching in the middle. So next we do 3 single crochets again on the next petal. I'm so sorry if you hear the chatter. I thought I would be alone for a while so that I can finish this up, but no. 3 double crochets on top of each of the trebles. And I might even speed it up so that I can finish this in about 2-3 minutes. Then 2 half doubles. So yeah, the family just got home. Slip stitching into the slip stitch. Three singles into the chain 5 space. Two half doubles into the chain 5 space. 3 double crochets on top of each of the treble. And the next one, 3 double crochets on top of it. Then 2 half doubles. 3 singles into the chain 5 space. Slip stitching in there. Yeah, it's supposed to be curly like that. So that's just fine. Again, 3 singles. Two half double crochets. 3 double crochets on top of each of the trebles. And the next one, 3 double crochets on top of it. Then 2 half doubles into the chain 5 space, and 3 singles. We're at the end, since we finished the 6th petal. We're slip stitching into the slip stitch, chaining 2, cutting our yarn, pulling the yarn through, pinch and slide. That's it. Now let's shape it a little bit. And there it is. Oh yeah, this can be cut off. Oops. This can be cut off since the knot is tight. So let's shape it a little bit. See ya? There it is. Our flower is done. So yeah, it's a simple little flower, but you can make many of them in many colors, any weight. You can make it with the plushies. It will be fun and big. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me. Like and subscribe, give me a tummy. I mean, that's like, so yeah. If you like what I'm showing you, subscribe, so comment, ask, whatever. Anything goes. So, see you soon. Bye-bye.